If you're looking for that extremely sparkly and special ring for the person in your life and you don't want to break the bank, then you need to check out this engagement set that I got from Jeulia. I'm Gina with WTI, and I've been wearing these rings in every activity that I do in my daily life. They are so well made. I have not been holding back or taking these rings off when I do anything. Settings are super secure. This is such a unique ring. It's two pieces that are interchangeable. There's a two-tiered halo band, and then there's a center ring with a gorgeous, large diamond white CZ stone. And if you look closely, you'll see that these are actually butterflies. When you turn it on the side, you'll see that there's a heart cut to let light through. I just love all the little touches and attention to detail. You can see with the middle halo, there's two bands on the bottom. This helps to keep the middle piece in place, and that way there won't be any chafing between the two rings that could degrade the silver. This comes beautifully packaged. It even has a little card on it, so it is good to go as a gift the moment that you receive it. I think that when you give it to that special someone, you're going to see their eyes light up as bright as these CZ stones. And that's my point of view.